No. Okay.
This is the final trailer. The remote.
Yeah, it was iced tea.
The remote control car crashes and funny stuff and all that good stuff. Okay, we are going to drive this car off the edges and stuff. Here we go. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes.
Awesome! I have no idea.
What are you doing?
Whoa! You brought our show. What else did heal me? Heal me? You didn't heal woman? Come on. Whoa! You're an evil ghost. Oh my God! Okay, I'm sorry. Hey, the show's almost over. We have about 5 minutes left. What is it? I Jacob now? No. We're swinging clip for YouTube. Oh my God, watch yourself. Jacob, make it stop. Like, annoying. We're gonna go to a commercial break. We're gonna go to a commercial. Commercials the chicken nuggets. Here it goes. You know how to do the chicken dance today.
I think I'm live.
There it is. We're back. And we're back. Maybe it'll fall off the edge. Oh no, there it goes! Ow! And it rocks! That did not turn out well. Okay, folks. He flipped over.
Let's go to the side.
We're gonna ride it down that slide.
Are you standing at the bottom of the side? Not me.
Okay, we're gonna see if this so-called remote control car can go down the so-called slide. Here it comes. Here it goes.
Wait.
Oh, and there it is, and it lands perfectly. As you saw it, we'll show you a replay of it. It came back and shot out like this. It went boom and landed like that.
Now we got a cooler one. We're not doing that again.
We're gonna try down this slide over here, smaller, but still has a whole bunch of bumps. This thing could fall off. And yeah, if you don't know me, cool YouTube. And I've been the director for all of these.
Okay, here we go.
There's only two. Oh, and it makes it.
Oh.
And he made it too.
Have you guys ever seen a car swing? Probably not. Hey, now we're here for a second. We're making a show for YouTube. Thank you.
Yeah, you have to tell them off so they'll get off.
You do.
It's gonna swing.
Swinging.
The swinging car.
Now, isn't this the stuntiest car ever? I know, right? For all you ladies out there who are not Japanese, I love you. Especially you Russian ones and the French ones. I like your French pieces.
And that I have no idea.
Segment of the swinging car. Dude, you still missed the chicken dance. He's so funny.
No, she didn't.
No. You felt that. We put the card on that side. What's it on? Yes.
And that was our final trailer. Watch our bonus one too.
How old are you?
Thank you for watching.